Our next question is question number 14, which says a laundry service is buying detergent and fabric softener from its supplier. The supplier will deliver no more than 300 pounds in a shipment. This is the total weight of the shipment. Each container of detergent weighs 7.35 pounds and each container of fabric softener weighs 6.4 pounds. The service wants to buy at least twice as many containers of detergent and containers of fabric softener. Let D represents the number of containers of detergent and let S represents the number of containers of fabric softener. Where D and S are non-negative integers, which of the following system of inequalities best represents this situation? So let me write down the things which have already given to us. First of all, it was given that the at most weight of the shipment is 300. So the first thing was given at most weight of shipment is equal to 300 pounds. And the next thing which was given is each container of detergent weighs 7.35 pounds and each container of fabric weighs 6.2 pounds. And also it was given that D represents the containers of detergent and S represents the container of fabric softener. So the weight can be expressed as the weight of the product which is detergent or softener way, and also the type of the container which is D or S. So we can present together. Let me write down here. The weight can be expressed as the weight of as a weight of each container multiply by the number of each type of containers, by the number of each type container. So we can write down the weight of the detergent weight with the container will be 7.35D and the container of fabric softener will be, for each container the weight will be 6.2 S. So we need to find the total. The total must be at most 300 pounds. The total cannot be exceed 300 pounds. So the total cannot exceed 300 pounds. It means if we add weight of both the products and containers, 6.2 S, it should be at most equal to less than equal to 300 pounds. And also there was a condition in the question that the service wants to buy at least twice as many containers of detergent as containers of fabric softener. So we can also write down the condition here. According to the condition, the number of detergents should be greater than or equal to the 2 times the number of fabric softener. So according to the condition, the number of detergent should be greater than or equal to 2 times the number of fabric softener. So we can say according to the condition. The detergent should be 2 times the number of fabric softener. So it means D must be greater than equal to 2 times S. Must be greater than equal to 2 times S. So which is the option A. So option A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So next question is question number 15. Which of the following is equivalent to A plus B over 2 whole square? So we need to find which option is correct, while the question is A plus B by 2 whole square. So which of the option is equivalent to this question? We have to open the square formula. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. The same formula we will apply here. A square plus 2 into A and B plus B square. B is equal to B over 2 whole square. So A square, here 2 will be cancelled out with each other. So it will be AB only here. So we get only AB here plus B square over 4. So option D is equivalent to this expression or this equation. Next question is, if A power B by 4 is equal to 16 for positive integers A and B, what is one possible value of B? So there are several possible values of B. We can find one of the possible value. If we compare the left side with the right hand side, I can write down here A power B by 4 is equal to 16. So I can write 16 in different forms with the different powers and different bases. For instance, I can write 16 as 2 power 4 by comparing powers. We can say B by 4 is equal to 4. So 4 4s are 16. It means B is equal to 16. Also, we can convert 16 into different base and different power. For instance, A power B by 4 is equal to 4 square is also equal to 16. So now if we compare the powers of each other, powers of left side and right side, I can write down B by 4 is equal to 2. 4 2s are 8. B is equal to 8. So we have 16 and 8, two possible values. Also we have other possible values too. Let me convert 16 into another base and another power. A power B by 4 will be 16 power 1 is also equal to 16. So I can compare the power B by 4 is equal to 1. So B is equal to 4. So any of the values would be the answer. You can calculate more values by yourself. Let's move to the next question. Question number 17 is, what value of t is the solution of equation above? So here we have equation 2 by 3 into t is equal to 5 by 2. So we will solve it for t. 2 by 3, t is equal to 5 by 2. So 3 will be multiplied with 5 and 2 will be multiplied with the 2 cross multiplication, it will be, so 5 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2, which is 15 by 4. So if we put 15 by 4 instead of t, it will give us the solution of the equation. Let me put 15 by 4 here. So 2 by 3, 15 by 4 equal to 5 by 2. So 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. So 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. It means t is equal to 15 by 4 will give us the solution of the equation. Let's move to the next question. Our next question is question number 18, which says in the figure above, BD is parallel to AE. This is the perpendicular line BD, which is parallel to AE line. What is the length of CE? We need to find the CE, the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle ACE. So first of all, it is given that BD is parallel to AE. BD is parallel to AE. It means both segments intersected by CE intersected by CE. Here we can see in triangle BDC and in triangle ACE, the angle at the point C here, this curve, is same. This angle is same in both of the triangles. So we can say the angle BCD is equal to the angle BCD equal to the angle ACE, because they are similar angles. Also, the angle AEC, which is angle this one, and angle BDC here, these are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles and congruent angles. Angle AEC and angle BDC are corresponding and congruent angles, or corresponding and congruent angles. So in two triangles, if two angles of one triangle and two angles of other triangles are congruent, it means these triangles are similar. So it means these are similar triangles. The corresponding sides are also proportional to each other. Corresponding sides of each triangle are proportional. It means the proportion of CD divided by BD will be equal to CE divided by AE. So from here we can find the value of CD by using the smaller triangle CBD, where the perpendicular is 6 and the base is 8. We can find the hypotenuse CD by using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, using triangle BDC. Using triangle BDC, CD square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. This one was CD square. So CD will be equal to 10. So the corresponding sides are proportional to each other in both the triangles. So I'm going to write the corresponding side which we need to find. We need to find the CE. So I am going to compare the proportionality of the smaller triangle sides with the bigger triangle sides. CD divided by BD will be equal to the sides CE divided by AE. CE divided by AE. So we just need to put the values. So we have just find out CD is equal to 10. BD, which is the perpendicular of the smaller side, is 6. And CE we need to find out. And AE, which is the perpendicular side of the bigger triangle, which is equal to 18. So we need to solve it. CE is equal to 10 divided by 6 multiplied by 18. So 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 3 10s are 30. So CE will be, the length of CE will be 30.